Hello guys, today I will show you how you can learn coding or web development programming online. So let's begin without wasting any time. What you have to do, just get a PC, mobile phone, whatever you want. Open your browser and search freecodecamp.com. This is a website which teaches you several coding languages or web development, how you can access it. All you have to do is just to log in with your Google account, or you can also log in with something else, whatever you can, after doing this, click on no thanks. Okay, so all these are all courses available that this site teaches you. So for the HTML, you can click on this one, and here are some tasks which you can do here. For example, hello. These are the tasks that you can perform, and you can read all of these to learn how this works. Simply, like for example, your task is your h1 element should have the hello world text. Simply, these are the fonts. H1 is the font, like it's our task, hello world. And now just run the test, and yes, let's do one more. You should create an h2 element. Your h2 element should have a closing tag. Your h2 element should have the text get of Photoshop photo app. Your h1 element should have the text hello world. Your h1 element should be before your h2 element. So what it says that your h1 element should be before h2 element. So it should be after that. Make another font like this, and we have to type get to photo app, and here is the closing tag h2 again, sorry, the test, and yeah, we are good to go. So this is how you can learn HTML from this website. And if you want to learn something else, JavaScript, then you can click on that tab, and this is how you can learn a JavaScript. You can also perform the tasks on the same time. Okay, so it was one website that teaches you web development, like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now another one, another website which teaches you the coding and programming, and I would prefer this one to learn the codes because it has several other programming languages also. Like you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, PHP, jQuery, Java, C++, Bootstrap, C Sharp, a lot of programming languages. Now how you can use this to learn the programming languages? Simply click on learn Python, and this is the intro, like why we use Python. So it tells you here that why do we use Python, and this is how you can get started with the other syntax, comments, variables you can learn from this website. Also you can learn the HTML from here, like editor, basic, element, attribute, adding, and this is how you write those programs. So yes, these two websites are very helpful to learn online coding and programming. That's all for now. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye, take care.